and your girl here, Miss Naturalist, bringing to you another video. Well, as you see the title here, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, whereas I'm unboxing this huge projector screen. Now here's the thing, sometimes I get tired when I have to set up and shoot a video, and so I was really trying to go mobile and just a very quick setup, and so I can go ahead and shoot my video, especially when I'm shooting informative videos, you know. So yeah, I wanted to share with you on how my screen look. Now I'm not even sure if it's gonna suit me, because I thought the 100 diagonal, I thought it was gonna be enough, but I think it's just super huge. Gosh, when I saw it drop today, when I saw it right at my doorstep, I'm like, oh my gosh, Camille, it looks like as if you should have went with an 80 something screen. I mean inches as opposed to 100 inch. But anyway, it's a 16 by 20. I guess like same thing, like it's a 16 by 9 ratio. So let me take it up here. I don't even want it to hit the fan. But anyway, it is huge. This thing is so... See, so it's 100 inch diagonal, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and it's a 160 angle in a tripod projector screen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to open up this huge thing. Also, don't forget to share some love to your girl by giving your girls a thumbs up and share your thoughts with me on this screen. Also, I would love for you guys to follow me on Instagram. It's a must, it's a must. You know what, I am building this channel and I feel like my Instagram is growing very slowly, so I really would appreciate you if you can get over there and just follow me on Instagram. All right, so let's get popping. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead, send your questions, guys. Whew. I don't want to put it on my bed because, and I didn't want to go downstairs. There's just too much kids in the house, so it's like I felt like to just go ahead and just open up this thing. Let me take you with me so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, this thing is really huge. Whew. Okay, so maybe now I can go ahead. Right. Oh, that's, whoa, it came with a case. That's impressive, right? It came with a case. Not bad, so I can always insert it to travel with. Wow. I think it's worth it also. I paid, I think about $100 for it on Amazon. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on it. And I kind of just like try to simplify things all the time. I don't like to have to set up. Sometimes it takes a lot of time for me. Have you ever like trying to shoot a video and by the time you set up you're tired? It's that kind of thing for me. I don't know, especially because I'm working and all of that stuff with it, but I just wanted to like simplify it. And also I like to have a professional nice video, and sometimes I feel like a white screen just set it, you know what I mean? So I wanted to just get something that was very easy going. All right, so let's go. This thing feels like plastic to me. So I'm hoping that All right, so it really is. Okay, so at least I was able to like adjust this to that, and woo! Oh wow, huge. That I'm trying to show you. As you see, this is like the foot here, and go open it out. And I guess it goes right here into the gap. So as you can see, it's very seamless, right? And let me just carry it around a little bit more. All right, so this is what the 100-inch looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and like open it out some more so you kind of see. But I think it's nice. On the back part of it, I can like adjust it. This may not be one of those best review, but it's kind of so wide and my room is not so big, so you know. So it's pretty much like this. So let's say like I want to shoot my video, right? See, it goes all the way up. It's very much adjustable. So I just want to show you the main reason why I bought it for something like this. So let's say I have a chair, right? And I want to shoot my video. I can have the chair like this, sit right here, right? And although I don't want the background to show that much, but pretty much, let me adjust it a little bit so you can see exactly how it looks. Okay, but I think I need to center it properly, but you see it's wide enough. I have a ton of space on it. Let me bring it up a little bit more. Okay, so I feel like this is the full length it can go. Maybe because I'm gonna sit down, I perhaps don't need all that space up here, so I could probably bring it down a little bit more. So let me do so right now. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust it, y'all. So my setup would be something like this. It's still not fully set up, but I just want to share with you so you can see how this is going to be my new setup for like informative videos. But I wanted you to see what it looks like. Okay. So something like this, all right? Let's see how it looks, if it looks better. Bingo, bingo. So the only thing I'm gonna need is one light here to my left hand, because I have one light to my Right, so as you can see, I'm getting more light in here as opposed to the left side. So I just need to have a ring light also on the other side, and then I'm good to go. But yeah, this is my new projector screen that I'm going to be using to shoot most of my videos, simply because I just want to bring all attention to you. All right, thank you all for watching, and share some love to your girl. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also if you're brand new to this channel here, you want to go ahead and smash that like button and give your girl a thumbs up. All right, take care. Bye.